Greetings! Welcome to the video guide by RZ Online. This video will introduce the Settings tool. This tab contains 13 sections. Working with sections, devices, list of vehicles, reports and events has been covered in previous videos. Let's take a closer look at other sections. In Organizations, we can edit the data on existing organizations. Let's edit the existing organization. As an example, let's enter contact phone and email. Organization access code intended for exchanging vehicles with other organizations. Click Save. In the Geofence tool we can edit or delete geofences. Reports block has been covered in separate video. In the Shifts block we can set, edit or delete a shift. It is required for report generation. Let's add a new shift. Enter the name of shift graph and set the shift duration. In the Users tab we can create a new user with access to the system or delete and edit the existing ones. Let's add a new user. Here we enter his login and password. If required, enter additional information. Click Save. New user has been added to the list. Now go to the block of user information editing. Enter Users Editing. In the Settings tool we can set user's time zone, period for data query, that is online refreshing frequency of data on unit state, how vehicle list is going to be displayed, date format, time duration output, hours or days and hours. Choose the duration of availability of events history for the user. If the activity function is enabled, then user can log into the system. If disabled, he cannot. User can be granted rights to perform certain actions, access to certain vehicles, access to billing and its disabling. Let's move over to vehicle types. Report parameters for the system to identify the event are set here. Create new type. Click Add. In this window, enter the type name, for example type 1. Now we fill the required fields. Minimal stop time sets the time required for the system to consider object stopped after movement have ceased. Parameter minimal parking time allows the system to register objects parking. Also, you can set objects minimal stay time in Geofence. After time of data interruption, the system will register the object being offline. The value of speed parameter sets threshold for movement detection by the system. Maximal possible speed is a max value that will be displayed on the dashboard. Parameter registered over speed duration prompts the system to register over speeds committed by the vehicle. Driving style can be assessed with parameters: acceleration time, excessive acceleration, excessive braking, overload at turn entry, vibration and points. Set the threshold for the system to detect exceeding of the parameters. Press Save. Vehicle type creation successful. In groups of vehicles you can combine vehicles into new groups and edit already existing ones. In Drivers tab you can enter the edit driver's data. Upload driver's photo and then select vehicles he will be driving below. Fill name, surname and patronymic fields. Also, here you can specify his phone and ID numbers. Save. Block events has been covered in separate video. In the Contacts block, contact details for receiving the events notifications and generated reports are entered, edited and deleted. In the Log block, we can access user action history. For more detailed information on the Web RZ Online tracking system, visit rzonline.com or contact the managers of the sales department. Thank you for your attention.